Roadmaster Driver School is an exceptional place to launch a professional truck driving career. With 30 years of industry leadership and recognition as one of the top truck driver training schools in the U.S., Roadmaster has been enhancing students' career opportunities through our commercial driver's license training program since 1992. In our history, we have proudly trained over 100,000 men and women to get their Class A CDL. Our commitment to success for all our students has made us one of the leading choices for future truckers. While attending Roadmaster, you will receive hands-on training on top-of-the-line industry-standard equipment. You'll learn how to drive new, state-of-the-art automatic transmission trucks. Behind these trucks, you will be pulling industry-standard 53-foot trailers. To embark on a journey as a CDL truck driver isn't as demanding as you might imagine, and our admissions advisors are available to lead you through the process. Roadmaster wants to ensure that our students have the greatest opportunity to succeed after graduation, and this begins with an in-person or phone interview to discuss your career options and ensure that you're hireable in the industry after graduation before you make a commitment to start training. We will run a motor vehicle report and background check which will help us determine your available career options, and we may also submit applications to carriers on your behalf and obtain pre-hire offers before you begin. Next, to become a licensed CDL driver, you must prove that you're healthy enough to safely operate a commercial vehicle. To fulfill this requirement, a Department of Transportation physical will be needed, which must be administered by a qualified medical examiner registered with the FMCSA National Registry. That may sound complicated, but don't worry. We will help arrange all of that prior to you starting school. We supply you with all the materials you will need to complete your training, from the books you learn from to the equipment you train on. At our truck driver training schools, students benefit from industry-leading facilities and equipment. From modern classrooms with computer labs to exclusive tractor-trailers designed just for them, plus purpose-built driving courses, students can be sure of an excellent learning experience. Classes run Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and students are required to attend in person. You can train for your Class A CDL in about a month at one of our nationwide CDL training schools. Your training will consist of a combination of classroom, range training, and road training. In the classroom, you will learn approximately 30 subjects, including general knowledge, map reading, trip planning, understanding DOT laws, hours of service, and pre-trip inspections. During your range training, you will become familiar with the operation of a truck on a closed course where you can safely learn how to perform pre-trip inspections, become familiar with how to identify common tractor-trailer maintenance issues, coupling and uncoupling, practice backing exercises, alley docking, and making different kinds of turns. Once you've shown proficiency on the range, training moves to the road where you will be driving with a trainer on specially planned routes. As a Roadmaster student, you are required to complete at least 180 hours of training and show minimum proficiency in all skills of the curriculum. You will be graded on 4 major areas: theory, pre-trip inspections, backing skills, and road driving. Once your training is complete and you have achieved minimum required proficiency, you are ready to take the CDL skills test to obtain your Class A CDL license. Acquiring a Class A commercial driver's license is essential to jumpstart a successful truck driving career, and our classes can help. Our courses give you the information and abilities required to pass the license examination. Roadmaster is a free choice school, meaning students are free to choose their employing carrier after graduation and are encouraged to select the best fit for their career goals. Roadmaster students are not contracted or bound to any carrier. We work closely with several industry-leading trucking carriers who are eager to hire our graduates, and you'll have the opportunity to work with our placement specialists even before you start classes to find the best fit for you. Once you've chosen your employer, you will have the opportunity to start your new career once you have completed training and obtained your CDL license. Typically, you will start with an orientation period where you will get to learn policies and procedures specific to your new employer. After orientation, you will typically head out on the road with a trainer or leader for a period of time to make sure you have a smooth start to your career. Once your trainer feels comfortable that you're ready to drive solo or with a team, you'll start driving cargo to and from various locations. While on the road, you'll be responsible for making deliveries safely and on time while carrying various types of cargo. In addition to driving safely on the road and following traffic laws, truck drivers are commonly responsible for inspecting the truck for safe operating conditions, loading and unloading the truck, completing the necessary paperwork for each delivery, maintaining a log of hours on the road and any relevant information. And while you can have a very fulfilling career as a driver, you may also use it as a stepping stone into a variety of other options in the world of transportation. Many drivers go on to become recruiters, instructors, owner-operators, and management personnel for major trucking companies. Roadmaster Driver School graduates enjoy ongoing benefits beyond training. Our Alumni Services Department is committed to providing job placement assistance for our graduates. If you ever find yourself unhappy in your new job or are just looking to make a change, they're here to help. Thanks to our special relationship with major trucking carriers, we are often the first to learn about new high-paying dedicated fleet routes, home weekly, and home daily jobs. We'll even send you periodic emails or text messages when we have hot new exclusive job opportunities available. According to the American Trucking Association, there could be a shortage of almost 160,000 truck drivers by 2030 if current trends continue. This shortage presents a great opportunity for individuals seeking a stable career with attractive incentives and job security. Trucking companies are now offering higher pay rates and improved benefits to attract new hires. With the current demand for truck driving expected to rise in the next decade, professionals in the industry can enjoy job security. Formal training as a truck driver can help you start a new and exciting career with great earning potential in just a matter of weeks. At Roadmaster, students can take advantage of the ELDT-compliant CDL training program and job placement assistance, which often results in pre-hire offers during their first week of training and ready-made employment after graduation. Pay for truck drivers can vary based on a range of considerations, such as the kind of truck they use, their level of expertise, and their driving record. In general, the average annual wage for a truck driver is up to $60,000 per year. Job security. Truck driver jobs cannot be outsourced. No pay gap tied to age, race, or gender. 401k retirement savings plan. Life insurance. Flexible schedules and ride-along options. Bring your pet or your spouse. Truck drivers are typically paid by the mile. Team driving allows for the income to be split between two drivers annually. This maximizes profits because the truck remains in motion. While one driver is taking a break, the other driver is operating the vehicle, which allows for the overall mileage to be divided among them. Visit us at roadmaster.com or call us at 1-800-831-1300 to get started. One of our admissions advisors will contact you to help you get started for your career on the road. They can assist you with what it takes to qualify, price questions, as well as any other accommodations you may need to discuss. If there's nothing stopping you, the enrollment process takes about a week to get you started, and classes start every Monday. It has never been a better time to receive Class A CDL training and begin your career in the professional truck driving industry. But don't just take our word for it.
I was told that trucking will always have work, and you'll always have a stable income. So I decided, hey, it's better than what I was doing. I was a mechanic before, and to me it wasn't enough. I wasn't achieving enough in the industry, so I decided to go something that's better.
We were looking, and we came across Roadmaster. So from there, yes, it was the way that they explained the program. So make us go forward with the whole school. But we looked into different school, and
Roadmaster are the best. From every other school I see, honestly, they are the best.
And in the future, once I feel like I'm ready to be an owner and operator, I want to own a couple trucks and be able to provide certain jobs to people. And people work for me. That's pretty much it as far as my goals when it comes to truck driving.
Carriers are hiring nationwide, and the benefits have never been more appealing. At Roadmaster Driver School, you're only about a month away from starting a new life for yourself and your family.